Good morning for everyone. My name is Javier Caicedo. I'm going to explain my activity according to the activity guide. One of the weaknesses in high school students is the use of English as a foreign language. This fact is evidenced in the results obtained by the students at the test now, where more than 8% of the students obtained a low performance in the survey block test presented in 2017. Therefore, I can say that this type of activity presented in the course are important because they generate a useful knowledge for professional development and cultural transformation of communities in which they are the decent interest. In my case, these kinds of activity have allowed me to delve into the pedagogical guidelines. So, as a teacher at the area, I can appropriate the basic conceptual element in making autonomy effective to guide to the process to meet the needs of the curriculum design with the educational project institutional paying. To look for opportunity and innovative management at the area in assignments are the appropriate at the scientific and technology events. Likewise, it is so that for the guidelines teacher can establish achievement in the development of community competence and a foreign language. In conclusion, it was not easy to carry out this activity because I had to do proposed reading where there should be analyzed very well to obtain a good result, but it was very rewarding to include them.